Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can change your thumbnails of your Facebook video ads. So thumbnails is really important. As you all know, if you've been watching videos on YouTube, the thumbnails are really important because they are the real hook. They hook your audience to let them click to your videos and watch them. So it same goes with your Facebook video ads. If your thumbnail is not correct, they will not click on it. So as an example, I can show you here. So through this thumbnail of this video ad, you will not know that what this ad is about or what this video is about. So if you read the description or the headline, then you will know. So thumbnail is really important to make your user to understand what they are going to click on. So to change this thumbnail, it's really easy. When you have created your campaign, you have your ad set up, you just need to go into media section where you have uploaded your ads, click on this edit group section. So you can do it in two ways. If you click on this arrow here, it will show you all the thumbnails of all the placements you have selected. You can do it individually. You can have different type of thumbnails for different placements, or you can change it as a group to select all the placements in that group. So we'll go here and we'll go into thumbnails. So we have two options. Facebook will automatically assign a thumbnail to your Facebook video, and maybe most of the time it's not relevant because it takes a clip out of your video. So we'll not do that. We'll go to manual, and we have again we have two options. We can select a clip from our video, or we can upload a custom design thumbnail for that. So that's really amazing because you can now have a thumbnail like YouTube videos. You can say anything on your thumbnail, and when they click on it, they'll watch your ads, and if they're interested, they will convert. So for this video, I will select this thumbnail. So it tells more about the ad, that what they're going to experience if they play this ad. So I'm going to use this one for this placement, and for the other placement for stories and reels, I'm going to do the same. We'll go into edit, thumbnail and manual, and we'll select a thumbnail here. So now you can see that as I'm choosing the pet thumbnail, this changing in the ads. So now it's making more sense that what the video will be. So now we're also going to change the search result thumbnail and choose the same thumbnail here. So now it will be changed on all the placements. All the placements will have same thumbnail, and it will make more sense now. It will not have a random thumbnail on our video that our description and headlines are saying something else, and our video thumbnail is showing something else. Because sometimes we have different clips or different scenes in our video ads, and maybe sometimes your automatic generated thumbnail will get the ceiling or the floor clip out of it and show it as a thumbnail. So it will not make sense, and it will not go with your headlines or description of your video ads. So it's important to set up a correct thumbnail for your video ads to work, and to increase more CTR on your ads, where people get interested and click on your ads. Will decrease your CPC for your ads, and you will get a better result from your ads. I hope this video helps you to understand how you can change thumbnails manually on your video ads in Facebook. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you.